In this video tutorial, we're going to explain how to do the image capture and video export. So these are two recently updated features, and at the heart of it is the image capture will capture a transparent PNG file. So if you have a cutout shape, it will actually capture it cut out for you. And video export creates a high resolution video export as a WebM format. So I'm going to go through it. So first of all, set all your layers up how you want to. I'm going to do this with a mask on there. I'm actually going to put my environment because I want to have a different background for my video. My video I'm going to do with a white background. Now it doesn't make any difference the background color if I'm doing an image capture because it's only going to capture the image itself. So what it will do is it'll capture the entire area. So if you want to, you can always bring the size of the window down. So I'm just going to do a capture. We'll do that down to the desktop. It'll capture everything that's on that file. Now if I want to do a slightly different position, let's say I want to angle it that way, slight rotation, maybe I want to change my lighting, move my lighting down a little bit and move it around. See how my lighting is being affected. So I can fine tune how I want that to look and get a nice little sweet spot of my image area. And again, like I said, I could do another image capture, just have to give it a new name, otherwise it'll overwrite it. So just be mindful of that. So each of those are transparent. Now if I want to, let's reset the view. If I want to do a video export, we click on the video button and then you set the duration and the swing angle. So the swing angle is how much it's going to go left to right, and the speed is, the duration is how long the video is going to play for. Pretty much leave it as it is. Click on start recording, it will then go through and it will start rendering all of those things. So it will take about 3 minutes roughly to do a high resolution video capture. What it's doing, as you can see here, is capturing every single instance. There's like 300 captures that it's doing, and then it'll interlace all those together into a seamless video format as a WebM, which means you can put it on any browser, so you can send it to a customer. You could put it on a LinkedIn post, you can do whatever you want. Just be mindful again that it is going to be capturing the entire area, so if you want to do something a bit smaller, just bring the size of your video in from the right hand side. Now I'm not obviously going to sit through 3 minutes and chatting to you, show you all this. I just wanted to show you what happens. It'll pop up with a little orange box basically saying processing, stand by, and come back later. So it's, as it says, encoding in process. It might take some time. Okay, so we are going to now show you what that looks like. So let's just go onto our desktop. So we have our video capture. So we have that one there, and we have the other one which we did, which was the other direction. So these are transparent. So if we actually look, you can see here on the icons, it's transparent. Obviously it's grey because transparent has to show you something. So you could drop that into some artwork or put it on your website. It's a great way to be able to do that. The video export, I did one earlier just to show you. So we export that video out and that's what you get. So I reduced my window size so I can just obviously capture that area. So as you can see, WebM opens up in any browser and great to be able to send to a customer. That file size was 9 megabytes for that one, so we try to keep the resolution quite good. We want a higher resolution video for it, but 9 megabytes fine for sending my email. If you wanted to, you could also take this and go into like an online tool and do a file conversion from WebM to MP4. One that I use quite a lot is cloudconvert.com, in which case you can then take your file, drag it into here and choose how you want to output it. So I'm going to do it to a WebM. You can then convert that, and then you can have a WebM format down to your computer in a matter of minutes, really. So download that now. And that will be a smaller file size usually. So let's just take a look at the file size on that one. So we're down to 6 megabytes. But that is now a movie file. So if you wanted to embed it as a movie somewhere and put it on auto loop, you can do so. So all these tools are available within inside the V3R, but I always come down to the point of, do we really need it? So, you know, at the end of the day, we can do a screen recording. So why do we really need to have video export? Well, it's there if you need it. Video capture's there if you need it. Do you want to wait 3 minutes like this, waiting for it to finish? No, it's entirely up to you. But anyway, just thought I'd go through the basics of how the image capture and video export works. If you do want to record your screen manually, you can always use your Mac screen recorder, Command-Shift-5 will bring up a recording function, and then you can just go down to record entire screen or record a section or portion, so you can just click and drag around it and record it. If you're on Windows, Windows is Windows Shift R, if I remember rightly, and it'll be able to do it. So there we go, image capture, video export.